Tired of emailing yourself files or digging for USB cables? Let's unlock the magic of AirDrop on your iPhone. First things first, we need to make sure AirDrop is ready to go. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open Control Center. If you have an older iPhone, you might need to swipe up from the bottom. Now tap and hold on the network settings card, a circumflex euros. That's the one with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth symbols. You'll see a few new icons appear. Find the AirDrop icon, which looks like a series of concentric circles. Tap on the AirDrop icon. You'll have three options: receiving off, contacts only, or everyone for the easiest sharing, especially with people you don't have saved in your contacts. Select everyone. Now that AirDrop is enabled, let's send something. Open the app where your content lives. Like the Photos app, find the photo or video you want to share. Tap the share icon, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. A sheet will pop up with sharing options. You'll see the AirDrop icon at the top of this sheet. Tap the AirDrop icon. Your iPhone will scan for nearby Apple devices that have AirDrop enabled. Look for the name of the device you want to send to it. Could be another iPhone, an iPad, or a Mac. Once you see the recipient's device, simply tap on it. A confirmation will pop up asking if you want to send the item on the receiving device. A notification will appear asking to accept the AirDrop. Just tap accept on the receiving device and voila. Your photos, videos, documents, or even links will transfer instantly and wirelessly. It's that simple to share seamlessly and securely between your Apple devices. That's how you master AirDrop. For more handy tech tips, hit that subscribe button.